So these are exercise problems. Exercise 1.1. Name the property involved in the following. So first one is 8 by 5 plus 0 equal to 8 by 5 equal to 0 plus 8 by 5. So what you have to do, just write the property involved in this given example. So by observing this, by adding a rational number plus 0 equal to, we are getting same the rational number, or 0 plus rational number is also equal to rational number. So what is this? Identity property. 0 is the additive identity. So additive identity. Second one is 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2. By observing this, can say that it is in the form of a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. So this is distributive property. Okay, next 3 by 7 into 1 equal to 3 equal to 1 into 3 by 7. This is as first one. So just here, instead of plus 0 we have into 1. So it is multiplicative identity. Next one is minus 2 by 5 into 1 equal to minus 2 by 5. So by multiplying 1, we are getting same rational number. So it is same multiplicative identity. This is also. Next one is 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5. So just change the order. So in what property we change the order? Instead of a plus b, we are writing b plus a. So what is the property of a plus b equal to b plus a? So this is commutative property. Under addition. Okay. So next one is 5 by 2 into 3 by 7 equal to 15 by 14. So by multiplying two rational number, we got again a rational number. So what is the property? This first property, closure property. So what is the closure property? If a comma b are any two rational number, a into b is also a rational number, then we say that the rational numbers are closed under multiplication. That you have to write. Seventh one, 7a plus minus 7a equal to 0. Sum of two rational numbers is 0. So it is inverse property. Under additive, or additive inverse of 7a is additive inverse of minus 7a, or under addition. Okay. Here, product of two rational numbers is 1. Sum of two rational numbers is 0 is additive inverse. So this is inverse under multiplication. Next one is 2 into x plus 2 into 6 equal to 2 into x plus 6. Just it is 2 into a plus b. A into b plus c lagundi. So a into b plus a into c. A into b plus a into c. 2 into x plus 2 into 6. So it is distributive property. Okay. So like this we can identify the properties. ఇలా ప్రాపర్టీస్ని మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలంటే ఈ ప్రాపర్టీస్ పైన మీకు మంచి కమాండ్ ఉంటేనే మీరు ఇలా గుర్తించగలుగుతారు. సో అంటే ప్రాపర్టీస్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ 7th నేర్చుకున్నాము, 6th కూడా నేర్చుకున్నాం కాబట్టి మళ్ళొక్కసారి మనం రీక్యాప్యులేట్ చేసి దాన్ని మళ్ళొక్కసారి మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తో చూస్తే మనకి ఈజీగా గుర్తుండిపోతాయి. అలా గుర్తుంటే మనం ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో హియర్ multiply 2/11 by the reciprocal of -5/14. So first of all you have to find the reciprocal of -5/14. So reciprocal of -5/14 is 14/-5. Okay, just interchange the numerator and denominators, then we will get the reciprocal of a fraction or reciprocal of a rational number. So what you have to do, multiply this reciprocal to 2/11. So product equal to, so 2/11 into 14/-5. 2 into 14, 28. So here plus into minus, 11 5s are 55. So the product equal to 28/-55. So which property can be used in computing 2/5 into 2/5 into 5 into 7/6 plus 1/3 into 3 into 4/11. So what is given? 2/5 into 5 into 7/6 plus 1/3 into 3 into 4/11. So to simplify easily, I am writing these two and these two inside the brackets. So 2/5 into 5 into 7/6 plus 1/3 into 3 into 4/11. So I changed the brackets. ఇక్కడ కూడా బ్రాకెట్ చేంజ్ చేశాను. అంటే ఈ బ్రాకెట్ దేంట్లో చేంజ్ చేస్తాము? అసోసియేటివ్ ప్రాపర్టీలో. సో సిన్స్ associative property, by using associative property I changed the bracket. మరి ఎందుకు చేంజ్ చేశాను? ఇది ఇక్కడ మనకి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఈజీ అవ్వడం కోసం మనం ఈ విధంగా చేంజ్ చేశాను. ఓకే, సో 5 1s are 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So that is 2 1s are 2 into 7/6 plus 1 1s are 1/1. So that is 1 into 4/11. So here 2 7s are 14/6 plus 1 4s are 4/11. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. So remaining is 7/3 plus 4/11. So 3 and 11 LCM is 33. There is no common factors, so their product is the LCM. So 3 into 11 is 33, 7 into 11 77 plus 11 3s are 33, 4 3s are 12. So that equals 89/33. So this is the answer. Okay, verify the following. 5/4 plus -1/2 plus -3/2 equal to 5/4 plus -1/2 plus -3/2. So what you have to do? You have to verify LHS equal to RHS. So I am doing at a time LHS and RHS రెండు కూడా LHS సైడ్ LHS, RHS సైడ్ RHS సింప్లిఫై చేసుకున్న ఎట్ ఏ టైం అయిపోతుంది. సో ఇయర్, సో ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సింప్లిఫై ఇన్సైడ్ ద బ్రాకెట్స్, దట్ ఈస్ 5/4 plus -1/2. 4 to LCM is 4 because 4 is the multiple of 2 or 2 is the factor of 4. So 4 is the LCM. So 4 1s are 4, so 5 1s are 5. 2 2s are 4, so 1 2s are 2, -2 plus -3/2 equal to 5/4 plus 2 and 2. So LCM is 2 itself. We can add directly minus 1 plus minus 3. So we have different signs, plus and minus. We have to subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3 by 4. No need to write bracket. Plus minus 3 by 2 equal to 5 by 4 plus, we have same signs. You have to add minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 by 2. So again 4 and 2 LCM is 4 itself. 4 1s are 4, 3 1s are 3. 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, minus 6. 4 to LCM is 4. 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5. Plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, minus 8. So here different signs. Subtraction, 6 minus 3 is 3, biggest is minus n, so put minus 3 by 4. Here also we have different signs. Subtraction, 8 minus 5 is 3, biggest is minus n, minus 3 by 4. We got LHS equal to RHS. So what is this property? So associative property. Associative property under addition is verified. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Next question is evaluate 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3 after rearrangement. So given one is 3 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 3. So evaluate after rearrangement. So why should we rearrange? Just to easy simplification, you have to rearrange. How can you simplify easily? By writing these two side by side, and these two we can simplify easily. So what you have to do? You have to interchange these two. So by what property you can interchange? By commutative property. By commutative property. Okay, so 3 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3. So why it became easy? These two denominators having same. These two denominators are same. So we can add directly, that is 3 plus minus 2 by 5 plus 7 plus minus 2 by 3. So here 3 minus 2 is 1 because different signs, by 5 plus 5 by 3. So 5 3 LCM is 15. So 5 3s are 15, 1 3s are 3. 3 5s are 15. So 3 5s are 15. So 5 5s are 25. So that is 28 by 15. So like this we can simplify. Subtract 3 by 4 from this. So that you have to write first. Minus 3 by 4. Subtracting this from this. So here 3 4 LCM is 12. Their product is the LCM because there is no common factor to 3 and 4. Common factors రెండింటిని డివైడ్ చేసేటివి కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఏం లేకపోతే వాటి ప్రోడక్టే ఎల్సిఎం అంటాం. అది మనకు తెలిసిందే. వాటిని ఏమంటాం మనం? రిలేటివ్ ప్రైమ్స్ అంటాం. ఓకే, సో 3 into 4 is LCM, 1 into 4 is 4 minus 4 into 3 is LCM, 3 into 3 is 9. So here 4 minus 9 is 5. Biggest is minus and minus 5 by 12. So second one is subtract minus 32 by 13 from 2. 2 minus 32 by 13. Subtract this from this. So 2 means you can write 2 by 1. Any natural number we can write as a rational number by writing by 1. Okay, 113 LCM is 13. 1 into 13 is 13. 2 into 13 is 26. Minus 13 ones are 13. 32 ones are 32. So that is minus 32. So here 26 minus into minus plus 32 by 13. So that is 58 by 13. So this is the answer. Next question, what number should be added to minus 5 by 8 so as to get minus 3 by 2? So we have to add a number to minus 5 by 8 to get this number. So what is given number? Given number is minus 5 by 8. So next sum equal to minus 3 by 2. By adding this number and another number we will get this. So sum is this, and given first number is minus 5 by 8. So required number let required number be x. We don't know the number, let the number be x. So by adding these two, okay, what number should be added to this? So the added number is x. By adding these two, so as to get, so the sum is minus 3 by 2. So that means minus 5 by 8 plus x equal to minus 3 by 2. So here x equal to minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 8 transposing to right side, minus 5 by 8 no right side తీసుకొస్తాను. Here minus 5 by 8 is adding x. So by taking right side, so the sign will be change, plus 5 by 8 ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తుంది. So here minus 5 by 8 is adding to x. So by transposing to right side, so it will become the additive inverse because we are adding here. Okay, so ఇక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి రైట్ సైడ్ వెళ్ళిపోతే అది అడిటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ను మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఇటువైపు తీసుకెళ్తే అది మల్టిప్లికేటివ్ ఇన్వర్స్గా మారిపోతుంది. ఓకే, సో హియర్ యాడింగ్. సో బై ట్రాన్స్పోజింగ్ రైట్ సైడ్ we have to write the additive inverse of minus 5 by 8. So additive inverse of minus 5 by 8 is plus 5 by 8. So x equal to 2, 8 LCM is 8 because 8 is the multiple of 2. 2 4s are 8. Okay, so now 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12 plus 8 1s are 8, 5 1s are 5. X equal to different signs, so you have to subtract 7, biggest one is minus and minus 7 by 8. So required number or added number should be minus 7 by 8. So required number is minus 7 by 8. Next question is the sum of two rational numbers is 8. If one of the number is minus 5 by 6, find the other. So what is given? The sum of any two numbers is 8. In the two numbers, one number is minus 5 by 8, find the other number. So one number is given number is same like as above, minus 5 by 6. Sum is given, the sum of two rational numbers, sum equal to 8. The required number or second number, required number equal to, let's be x. So by adding these two, minus 5 by 6 plus x equal to 8. Okay, the sum of two rational numbers, by adding these two rational numbers you will get x. One of the number is minus 5 by 6, another number be x. By adding these two we will get x, 8. So x equal to, here minus 5 by 6 is adding to x. So by transposing to right side you have to write additive inverse because this minus 5 by 6 is adding to x. Okay, that's why plus 5 by 6. So 8 means you can write by 1. 1 6 LCM. LCM to 1 is 1 to another number is that number itself. So 6. 1 into 6 is 6. 8 into 6 is 48. 6 ones are 6, 5 ones are 5. So x equal to 53 by 6.